Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have got a Starbucks issue, maybe something went wrong with your order, your rewards didn't update, or your app is not working, this video will show you exactly how to contact Starbucks customer service in the US or wherever you are in the world. So let's get into it. First step, call the US customer service number. If you're in the US, dialing 1-800-782-7282. This will connect you to Starbucks General Customer Service. It's open every day during regular hours, that is 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pacific for most reasons. When you call, press 0 or follow the prompts to talk to a live representative. Be ready with the issue when it happened and your rewards or card info if relevant. Second step is go to Starbucks official site. For that, open your browser, be it Chrome or Safari, and here search for starbucks.com. Sign in with your account and go to Contact Us or Customer Service. There's a feedback or query form you can fill out. It lets you use email, explains the issue, and attach screenshots. This is especially useful if your problem involves your app, rewards, or something non-urgent. Third step, email regional support. If you're outside the US, Starbucks has specific contact info in many countries. For example, these. So check the Contact Us page of your country's Starbucks website. And if your issue is not urgent or has not been resolved, you can also reach out via Starbucks social media channels like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Tag their official support page and explain your issue briefly. It sometimes helps get attention if other channels are slow. And here's what you might say when you contact them. You mention your name first, describe the issue, you mention your ID, date and time when the issue happened, your device or app version or store location, and what you tried already. For example, reinstalling app, checking rewards balance, etc. And that's how you contact Starbucks customer service, by phone, web form, reason-specific email, or social media. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more fix guides, and leave a comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.